I wanted to find the easiest way to grow food, and I wanted to start with microgreens so we can grow from seed. That way I don't have to wait for big box stores to get their plants in. And then I could harvest the microgreens or grow them out bigger. And I had to figure out a carefree system. I can't remember to water plants 2 or 3 times a day. So I came up with a bunch of these little adapters. They fit all kinds of bottles: soda pop, beer, kombucha, root beer, ginger ale, and everybody's favorite, mason jars. And I know everyone's already got some kind of shallow bowl, like a cereal bowl, a takeout tray, or an old baking dish. Now I already knew how to grow microgreens in clay pebbles, and with these new adapters, growing them is a breeze. So I did it over and over and over again. That way, I know for sure that it works and you can do it too. So if you've had previous problems growing a garden, or you don't have room for one, this might be for you. Keep on growing.